Alam mo ba na may diskarte sa buhay na handog ang isang kumpanya na nais mabigyan ng iba pang mapagkukunan ng mapagkakakitaan ang mga overseas Filipino workers? Kung ano ito ating alamin sa ulat ni Hannah Jane Sancho.
Hindi na bago para sa mga Pilipino ang gumawa ng iba't ibang diskarte sa buhay. Papaganda lang ang pamumuhay ng pamilya. At ito ang nais ng Filipino Homes.
Yeah, Hi Filipino Homes is a comprehensive real estate company in the Philippines. We are a marketing group. We're marketing 600 developers and we are present all over the Philippines. So what we're doing now is we're exposing our concept that here with Filipino Homes, they can buy properties, sell properties. And we are 72 now in Japan from the Philippines. We're so proud. We're the only organization that we're bringing the Filipinos globally.
Nasa Japan ang Filipino Homes upang hikayatin ng mga overseas Filipino workers na maging bahagi ng kanilang kumpanya. Pero bakit nga ba patok ang real estate at anong diskarte ang kailangan upang maaari itong maging dagdag na mapagkukunan ng income para sa mga Pilipino?
Number one, the beauty with Filipino Homes, we have this comprehensive training because buying properties is not easy. We have to educate them, we have to give them the best property, and we will link them to the best developer. And the only way is education. Number two, we have an opportunity, we call it Global Partners. They can join our company, becoming our partners. So today we have about 20 countries who join us. And hopefully, if you're interested to earn extra income to become our referrer agent, join the Global Partners of Filipino Homes.
Pero sa panahon natin ngayon, may agam-agam ang ilan sa mga kababayan natin dalong-dalo na para matiyak na lehitimo ang mga developer na pagbibilhan nila ng mga property bilang investment. Narito ang payo ni Anthony Luterio, ang nasa likod ng kumpanya ng libo-libong ahente na ang nabago ang pamumuhay hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi maging sa ibang bansa sa pamamagitan ng pagtatrabaho sa Filipino Homes.
The only way is just approach any Filipino Homes agents because all of our agents, we've been trained. Okay, dito we have a policy, one-hit policy. If they do a mistake, we're gonna kick them out with our company. And you know, the most important is you have to be very responsible. Our company, very responsible in selling. So meaning, we will be giving you a good developer with license and they will finish the project and investable project in the Philippines. So welcome. We have our team that will help you guys and we're gonna talk and attend so many seminars. So it's free to join.
Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas kumahal, ito si Hannah Jane Sancho, SM9 News.